In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Shopify and Etsy for dropshipping. If you're thinking about starting a dropshipping business, one of the first big decisions you'll face is where to actually sell your products. Two of the most popular options are Shopify and Etsy, and each one has very different strengths. By the end of this video, you'll know which platform fits your situation best, and you'll also understand how you can use both together if that makes sense for your business. Let's start with the big picture. Shopify is usually the better choice if your goal is long-term brand building, high scalability, and full control over your customer data. It's ideal for more traditional dropshipping, where you might sell trending products, mass market items, or a variety of niches. With Shopify, you're building your own standalone website under your own brand, which means you're in control of the look, feel, and customer experience. Etsy, on the other hand, shines when you want lower upfront costs, a faster setup, and access to a built-in customer base that's already searching for products. It's especially strong for handmade items, print-on-demand products like custom mugs or shirts, and very specific niche items with a unique or artistic feel. Instead of building a site from scratch, you're opening a shop inside an existing marketplace where millions of shoppers already visit. Now let's break down some key differences that really matter for dropshipping. First, think about platform nature. Shopify is a standalone website builder, so it's your job to drive traffic through ads, social media, email marketing, and content. Etsy is a marketplace, so there is already traffic, and you focus more on optimizing your listings, photos, and keywords to get discovered. Next, consider your target audience and product type. Etsy shoppers expect unique, custom, or handmade style products, and this pairs nicely with print-on-demand dropshipping. Shopify is more flexible. You can sell almost any legal product niche, from everyday gadgets to fashion, home decor, or beauty. Costs are also different. Etsy has very low initial costs, with small listing fees and transaction fees on sales. Shopify charges a monthly subscription, typically starting with an entry-level plan, and you may add paid apps as you grow. So how do you choose? In simple terms, go with Shopify if you want to build a real brand, own your customer data, and scale aggressively. Go with Etsy if you're a beginner on a tight budget, focusing on handmade or print-on-demand style products, or you want to test demand quickly. And remember, you don't have to choose only one forever. A powerful strategy is to use Shopify as your main store, then connect to Etsy through apps that sync your products, so you can sell on both platforms and maximize your reach.